car, and shout out to the upcoming grade 10 students. So, here's my answer. So, when I was in elementary, ako permi mo ay duulan sa akong mga classmates, sa mga taga-G-Press, shout out. Yeah. So, I have been a president since grade 1 till grade 6. Yeah. Kaya mo, people pleaser mo ko na usay kay mahatag akong answer sa mga classmates pag elementary. Yeah. Kanang ako yung mahatag nila kanang mga answer sa assignment sa usahay. So now, kay high school naman ta, kailangan mas mo level up pa. So, here. Here. How will I support and help my classmates? So, grade 10, listen wisely ha. Para vote sa wisely. So,
Yeah.
first things first is that I will help you with all your needs. Especially sa mga notes. Kibawon mo nga, paspas ko musawat.
Yeah.
Dati kayo kagi. Kibawon lang, sabta na lang ko ninyo, at least na ako'y mahatag ninyo. Diba?
Yeah.
Pareha sa akong gihatag niya ang tanan, pero
Hi! Hi! Usa ka na! Hi!
I will help you all and give you all the notes. And also, here is the issue. Whenever nga mangayo kag notes, kay di ba maawaw man ta sa teachers. So don't worry, ako na yung buhat anak. Kaysa una si Wiley man jud pero may karon ako na. Guys, I will be the grade 10 level representative if ever gani makadaog. Yeah. Speaking of mental health, kay ako man permi mo mohatag og advice sa akong circle of friends ni Wiley, ni Ayeka o ni Budget. So, yeah. I will help you all. And as you all know, I always give you advices. That's why I will give you more advices. Because the more, the merrier. And lastly, how will I support you all? I will support you all. But yeah, be serious. Don't worry guys. I am always here and you can reach out for me. Because I am very open-minded and also at the same time, I am not that busy, but also at the same time busy because I have time management. I am an only child, so I can do a lot of things. And also, I can help you all out because as a president in the classroom, I have the responsibility to handle you all through any circumstances and situations. And also, please trust me, for I will also gain my trust to you all. And that's all. Thank you.
Yeah!